Hey guys, Dan here. Well, as you can see, I'm on my boat today. This is going to be, I think, number 6 on that fishing live stream tournament. This is Bumpin for Bigguns. So we got a bump today, so I'm doing 2 things I've never done before: bumping and fishing on a river by myself. I've been on the river with Ed. He was captain in the whole thing. So today, right here on the mighty Muskingum River. So we're just getting ready and prepared to get ready to start bumping. Ed's not with me today because he went on vacation. So hopefully safe travels and everything for him, and he'll probably be back on the next tournament. So anything, hopefully this should be interesting today, and maybe I'll catch a fish. Stay tuned.
You got one. Watch out. The track squirrel wing. Catch.
Oh, fish on Northernview.
So there you go, Ron's got the squirrel right there.
Fish on Northernview.
My bad, dude. Has 2 fish.
Fish on Northernview.
96 FOA. Freddie Beck has 1 5-foot FOA rod. Pontoon Jody Cat.
Oh. Ain't much, but hey, I got one.
That's all that matters.
Whew.
Glad I got a skunk off my rod.
All right, come on.
Hey, squirrel, I see somebody. Man, there's a boat getting awful close to y'all.
I'm gonna get braid in my trolling motor here in a minute, I feel like.
3.28.
All right, 3.28, got it. And then, was that with the grip?
Oh, I teared it off. That's what it is.
3.28.
Nice job. What are y'all doing?
Thank you, Northernview.
Hey, thank you much. Woo! Got the 1 fish. Ended up in 5th place. So again, we came out, we struggled. We got away with some points. We just gotta see how we fared, because a lot of people did strike out tonight, or today actually. So now we'll just see how they all come out in the wash. So appreciate you guys stopping by. See you guys next time.